course, you are watching this video because you need to get Microsoft Office 365 installed in your PC as fast as you can, and that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you: how to download and how to install and get it activated all for free. So meaning you don't have to pay a dime to Microsoft, you don't have to subscribe to any yearly or monthly plan. So I'm going to be showing you how to download the Microsoft 365 and also how to activate it for free, so you can start using the Microsoft tools like PowerPoint, MS Word, Excel, and all of the Microsoft application. So quickly, without wasting your time, let's just dive into the tutorial straight away. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to hold on your keyboard the window key and also the X key, So when you do that, this will pop open on your screen. Now you're going to click the Windows PowerShell admin. So that's what you are clicking. So when you click that, so after clicking that, you click on yes. Then this is it. Now we are going to be pasting a prompt in this command prompt box. So we are going to be pasting a prompt right away. So of course, you are going to check the description of this video and you are going to find a prompt there. So all you just need to do is to copy and paste the prompt. So I'm just going to paste the prompt like I have it already copied in my clipboard. So this is the prompt. I'm just going to, after pasting the prompt, you are going to click enter. Now when you click enter, of course you're going to allow it for some time so it can initiate the prompt, so which is already doing. So you just have to give it a little time, and in few seconds you'll get a response from the command prompt. Yeah. Okay, here it is. As you can see, it's up already. So quickly, the first thing you want to do, you can see here that on the number 2 is showing Hook Office. So these are our focus for today. We want to download Office. So I'm going to, you just have to click on 2 on your keyboard. So you click on 2 on your keyboard and you'll be redirected to a different channel. So this is it. This is where you'll be directed to. So when you get to this place, you have number 1 as install Hook Office activation or install Hook. Of course, we are going to be coming over to this place. So because this is how we are going to be activating the Office that we are about to download. But for now, we are going to press 3 on our keyboard because we want to download Office. So we are going to press 3. So press 3 on your keyboard. Good. So you can see it has redirected to your browser. So this is it. This is the site where we want to download the Office installation. So this is where we want to download the Office installation. So you are just going to, what you're going to do is to scroll down and come over to this place where it says download Office. Now under this, you find out that you have several versions of Office. In the first one, which is the Office C2R installers, it's having version from 2024, 2021, 2019, 2016, 2013 and the likes, and that's of you have another which is the Office C2R custom install. So all of that. So but recommendably you will go for the first one, which is having a much more stronger version of Microsoft Office. So we're just going to click this. So when you click this, you'll be redirected to another dashboard again. So you are going to scroll down. When you scroll down, you are going to choose what aspect of the link so you want to click. So you can see the first one contains Access, Excel, Link, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, Publisher, and all of that. So this also contain more of Microsoft application. So I'll advise you go for the one that contains all of the Microsoft app that you may be looking at using. So after choosing that, then you come over to this place for we are going to be going with the first one for the purpose of this video. So you come over to this place, you of course you want to check the compatibility of your system. So if your system is a 64-bit system, so you are going to click this link. But if it's a 32-bit system, you are going to click this link. So we are just going to click, I'm going to click this link because my system is a 64-bit system. So I'm going to click this link, and immediately you click that, the Office setup is going to download right away. Yeah, so you can see it just finished downloading. So I'm just going to double click on this, so which I've just done. So double clicking on that is going to prompt you towards installing the Microsoft Office. So I'm just going to click yes. So I've clicked yes. You can see it's saying it's getting things ready. So you are just going to allow this process until Microsoft starts what downloading the Office application in your PC. Alright, so just as you can see, it says please stay online while Microsoft 365 and Office is downloading. So you can see these are being the Office application. All of these apps that you can see are being downloaded on your PC. So this can take quite some minutes depending on your internet speed. So you are just going to be patient and allow this to download till when it is done. Yeah. All right, so we just downloaded the Office 365. So I'll go over to this place where I'm going to be showing you that quickly. So we just downloaded the Office 365. So you can see that the Word app now is now here. So let me just open this. So I'm going to open it because I want to show you that it's downloaded already. So the first thing you are going to find with the application, whichever you are going to be making use of, you are going to find out that it's showing unlicensed product. Do you understand? So meaning it has not been activated. So there is no activation key. Do you understand? So which is what we are going to be doing right away. So Microsoft is going to be prompting you to make payments, try one month for free. So but of course you don't want to answer them and you don't want to give them a listening ear, so you are just going to close any pop-up tab that is going to be shown to you. So I'm going to be showing you how to activate the Office 365 applications. So just stick with me as we go through the process together. So the first thing we want to do, like you did earlier, is to hold your Windows key on your keyboard and your X key. So, and also you go over to the Windows PowerShell admin. So you do that again. Now, of course, you click on yes. So, after doing that, you allow it to initiate. Then you paste the same command prompt that you pasted in the first time. So, which is in the description of this video. So you are going to paste the same command prompt. So I'm just going to do that quickly. So I've done that. Then you click on enter after pasting it. So when you click on enter, you are just going to allow it to initiate so that it can read the command that has been prompted into it. All right, so it's opened already. So but for now we are not going to follow the same process we did the last time, because now we are actually trying to activate our Office. So we are just going to do that quickly. So now what do? First of all, we click, or we are going to press 2 on our keyboard because we are looking at activating the Office. So we are going to press 2. So after doing that, you just have to give it some few seconds to initiate, and it's going to pop out just like it has done now. So this is it. It's saying close Word before proceeding. Okay, so let's close our Word document. So okay, we've done that. So we've closed the Word document. So we are just going to go over to number 1, which is install whole Office activation. So we want to install an activation key. Do you understand? So just like I said, you don't need to pay Microsoft to get your Word license or to purchase an activation key. So this is how we are going to get our Microsoft applications, the Office applications, activated for free without paying a dime for it. So press 1 on your keyboard. So as you can see, it's initializing. So every of the process, of course, you have to be very patient and allow the process to initialize and to initiate, so that it properly integrates the activation key into the Office 365 software and application installed on your computer. So you just have to be patient. The process can take some time, so you just have to be patient and give it some time to finish initializing. All right, so when this pops out, do well to allow all the process, allow it, so that it keeps going smoothly. And when you see this, you don't need to panic. This is just giving you a prompt on what is going on, because it's actually taking a lot of process to get your Microsoft application activated. So you just keep allowing it, so that it can keep having access to the Office 365 to get it activated. Wow, 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 wow. So just as you can see, our Office is permanently activated. So what does this mean? Forever, you don't need to pay at all. So far, this particular computer is concerned, you don't need to pay anything. You will never have any notification telling you that your license is over. This is a permanent activation key for your Office 365. So okay, let's quickly go and check it out to see what has been done. So let's go and check it out quickly. So just go over to our Word again and see what has happened. So of course, let's be sure that it has been successfully activated. Okay, so do you see what's happening here? So they say accept the license agreement. So I'm gonna accept it. So you just see that the unlicensed unlicensed notification here just wiped out. And let's try maybe editing a document or something. Let's try editing a document. Let's try typing. Yeah, so you can see everything is working perfectly well. Everything working perfectly well, and that's that. So guys, I trust you enjoy the video. Please don't leave this video without subscribing. So of course, I know you want to encourage me, you want to say thank you in the comment section, so feel free to add all of those to the comment section, and also share this video to groups, to friends, to families, to colleagues who you think might be of great, this video might be of great help and benefit to them. So all right, thank you for watching, and do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because I tell you, there's a lot of hack I'm bringing your way in 2026. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.